All right, here we go. It's the amortization portion of the practice test. So hey, you won the lottery. You won $5 million. Okay, so you put it in the bank and you say, I'm just gonna take out 20 G's per month for 30 years. Cool, great life choice. And I mean that. I think that sounds awesome. So this is, what is the minimum per annum or annual interest rate the bank will have to pay you so you don't run out of money before 30 years. So what they're saying is, as you take out this $20,000 per month, your money needs to grow with interest to make a little bit so that you can stretch it for 30 years. Okay, it says, well, what's your answer correct to one decimal place? So we're going to try to find that interest rate. Long story short, this is a calculator question. So what we do, first thing, hit apps. Go to our financial app, hit enter. We're going to use the solver. Here we go. All right, so let's figure this out. N is our time, and we do our time in months. So we have 30 years, okay? So 30 times 12 gives us 360. That's our months, okay? We're trying to find interest. We'll come back to that. PV, that's my principal value, or my initial money. That's $5 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's only 500,000. There we go. $5 million. Good. Our payment is going to be 20,000, but remember that's going to be deducting or going down. So we're going to say negative 20,000 because that's the money being removed. Okay. Our future value is 0 because we're going to use up all that money, and then everything else we leave just the way it is. So now I'm going to go up to my interest rate, which I want to know. I'm going to clear it out, and now I'm just going to hit alpha solve. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. All right. Hit alpha here, and then solve down there. Watch this dramatic perspective. Alpha solve. And look what happens. Ta-da! 2.59. They say go to one decimal place. So my answer is 2.6%. Huzzah! We did it. Let's go to the next one. Alright, it says Joe has a credit card. Oh no, with a balance of $4,750. That means he owes that money. There's an annual interest rate of 21.5%. Ouch! Okay. So he wants to pay this off completely in 2 years. Good job, Jojo. Get that paid off. Move on with your life. So it says calculate the minimum monthly payment he needs to make in order to meet his goal of getting this paid off in 2 years. Okay, so this is a calculator question. So step 1, apps, finance. Let's use that solver right now to just plug in our pieces. Okay, so this is my information from my previous question, so I'm going to clear all this out. So let's see here. 2 years. We do it in months. 2 times 12 is 24. Okay. Interest rate was 21.5, so I clear that out and I put in 21.5. Yoki dokie. Okay. My principal value was 4,750. There we go. I'm going to put this at 0, but that's actually what I'm trying to figure out. Okay. So actually, oh, and we do want the future value to be 0 because we want to get it all paid off. So I'm going to clear this out. So again, now I'm here. I got everything filled in except for what I need. So I just hit second, solve, and there you go. It says 245.2. It says round your to 2 decimal places. So every month I'm going to pay $245.25. And if Jojo does that and doesn't add any more to his credit card debt, he'll be all paid off and out from under that debt. So good job, Jojo. All right, let's keep it moving.